Alright guys, what's up? Just daily recap for today. As expected and said yesterday in yesterday's recap, I told you guys that let me just, clean this a bit. I'm trying to see if I can take an entry soon, by the way. But meanwhile, I'm just gonna wait and just explain. Meanwhile, 4 hour. So basically, I told you guys we will come down to this low, this fair rally gap right here. We will come sweep it. As you see, we did sweep. Now, after sweeping, of course, what I expect is just to go higher. This is what I said yesterday and perfectly went my way, as I said. But I did not take any trades today. You'd be wondering, like, well, so if you knew your bias and everything, then why you're not taking a trade? Simple. So when news came in, 8:30, it was core PPI or something like this. I don't know. I forgot. We came down and made absolute equal lows here with London lows. So in this moment, right, you be saying like, well, 9 a.m. comes in, sweep the high of London already. So of course my bias was switching a bit, even though we're supposed to go higher, but at the same time, like since we didn't sweep this, I felt very uncomfortable. And it's not like I can say yes did it because it did not. Like we did not sweep lows here. You see? So since we didn't sweep London lows, I was basically kinda what happened there? Okay. I was basically kind of just expecting at least to take out those lows, then keep going higher, but market did not have that on mine. So where's the part that I tried to take at entry? Well, you can see 9:30 opens here. So we start, doing this, accumulating a bit, then we have a displacement. This is first rally got presented in the market. I don't know why this is all the way back. Okay, I get it now. That's why. First rally gap starts from here to here. That's a fairly presented IM session. And then what happens? We go higher, and then here I was saying in my own video, I want to short, but only if I see the bodies displacing under this. I did not see no clear displacement. There's no clear displacement here. This is not enough. And at the same time, if you see, we have this low made here. We came in, swept it, and then we're coming back into this first fair like I presented. So in this moment, I was literally saying, okay, bullish. Now, what happened here was that I was waiting for here, which would be the change of state of delivery, right here. Oh, sorry, this right here to here, like that. So I was saying, as soon as the body closes above, I expect us like to either, retrace a bit here, go higher, or even if we go a bit lower, we go into the inverse for rally gap. And then, yeah, I said, let's just wait. I'm not going to enter. And market just completely ripped up. Now, another reason, wait, just let me check this real quick. Another reason, why would you say to long then? Because simple. Look, we have PM session. Sorry, not PM session. Where is it? Okay, here. Yes, PM session highs here. We have equal highs here, right? So instead we have this equal highs, right? And then at the same time, if you pull out the Fibonacci, right? I know it's a bit of a disaster right now. Sorry. Boom, boom. Like this, to all the way down here. If you see the Fibon, you can see clearly that the 50% was resting in this highs. So of course, like my bias absolutely changed in the moment that that happened because like I was like, okay, if we're planning like for me to say that we should short, I will need to see those highs being taken out first, going into a premium to then go to a discount, correct? Because we already come from a discount. We're coming from a discount, and then I was like saying, well, then we shouldn't short because if we were not able to break here, and at the same time we have those equal highs here, right there, one and two. If we have this equal highs here, and at the same time we have the 50% of Fibon literally resting right here, then I mean that's more than enough to say, you know what, let's just go higher. And then yeah, I missed my entry. I couldn't enter because yeah, I was waiting for the change of state of delivery here. I was supposed to enter here once this candle will go above, but I didn't think it was gonna pump all the fucking way up like that. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. Like there's not much more to say, to be honest. Pretty decent day. I'm not complaining. I'm still like right about what I've been thinking lately. And I even like, how do you say this? Being directly, right? Like, even though if you miss out today, or you didn't make money today, or you just didn't simply take a trade today, the best thing I can tell you is that as long you know what you're doing and you know how you're approaching the market, and then you call out things before, even if you didn't make a video, whatever, but you know you call out some stuff, you should be happy already. That's like already a win because you need to understand that not everybody can read the market. Not everybody can do this. Literally, not everybody can do this. And you should be happy and proud of yourself, the fact that you were able to read where market was going. And I'm proud of myself too, because I told you yesterday in the recap that literally I was just telling you the trade I took, and then I started analyzing a bit more, and I was saying, you know what, like we need to take this lows, right? I said it. And then where we end up going, taking out those lows. And now right here, I'm just waiting to see if we displace below this. This is the first rally I presented of PM session. So if we get a displacement under this, I'm taking a short. But for now, I'm just holding. But I mean, this is a recap, not showing you guys how I'm trading. So yeah, um, that'll be it. Like I'm pretty happy. The only thing, yeah, it's a bit unfortunate that if we have taken this lows before, right here in the moment, then boom, like I will be looking for long since like like the beginning because that's what I was looking from yesterday. I was saying we have to sweep this lows. That's what we did, but unfortunately we did not sweep this one, and this is what put me a bit off. Now let me just check out this real quick. So, anyways, that will be it for the recap. The only reason why I'm lining this is a SMT. If you go into ES, you can see we swept this highs, and NQ did not have enough strength to sweep those New York launch highs. So yeah, that's what makes it as SMT. And since ES already took this highs and NQ didn't, then I'm expecting us to go a bit lower, at least until this lows or this low. So yeah, if we go lower, cool, I will take a short. If not, then stay at. But I mean, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got something out of this.